ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಫ್ರೀಕಿನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. What's up people, welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm heading on a quick ride, not even a breakfast ride. It's just a ride that's going to span across 200 kilometers to and fro. It's not a weekend, you know, the Fridays have become a new weekend for all the bikers due to these curfews in place around Karnataka over the weekends. So you can see my day starts with the off-road patch. There's some road development in progress around my area. That's why, you know, I need to hit these roads to get out of my locality. I'll be accompanied by some of my riding buddies. You know, all have an itch to get out of their house and explore on their bikes, but unfortunately exploring is not possible right now. We just need to enjoy the smooth tarmac on the highways. As you guys can see, I'm running low on fuel. I need to fuel up now. I have my panniers and top box in place because I'm just trying to get used to it for some major rides coming up in the coming months or days, you can say. About to reach our meeting point. Looking out for my fellow riders. I can see some here, but need to figure out who is who. Who is who? Question mark. So guys, people are just about to start from Hebard, but I head forward in order to fuel up so that I don't make the others wait. So a couple of us need to fuel up. Some of them have already moved ahead, and it's me heading towards the Shell fuel station after the airport toll on Hyderabad Road. So today's ride is going to be up to Bagepalli toll. Maybe a bit further than that also if time permits. As you know, most of us need to get back and start working today. It's a weekday. We are about 20 odd bikes, a mix and match of all Harleys, BMWs, Ducatis, Hondas, and the list goes on. On my way I'm so freaking happy. You know, to give a biker a bike and an empty stretch, and he won't ask for anything more than that. That's happiness for us. I'm pretty sure most of you bikers watching this can relate. I don't want to be speeding now, just that, you know, I haven't ridden since a long time. Just getting set. Just reaching Shell for some fuel that's going to last me for the ride. Yes, it is. Some of my biker buddies already fueling up. So at Shell, you need to get off your vehicle before you fuel up. These are some kind of rules they follow, safety rules. Oh. Yes, so my panniers. ಅದೇ ಫಿಟ್ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ತುಂಬ ಮೊಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. हाँ हाँ फुल टैंक नहीं, 2000 का डालिए. 2000 यहीं पे. हाँ सुपर सुपर, डाल दो. सो प्राइस क्या? नॉर्मल पावर नहीं, नॉर्मल. हाँ नहीं नॉर्मल चाहिए. नॉर्मल का क्या प्राइस है? 107. Oh my god, 107 bucks for fuel. 107. Shell is always 5 rupees extra. Shell is always 5 rupees extra. 2000 डाल दीजिए. So 2000 I'm going to get around 19 liters. 250 किलो है सब. इसके साथ और ज़्यादा. वो कितना सीसी होगा? तो 1250. कितना होगा? 1 से 6 लाख. Yes, done. Thank you. Card है. So I got around 18.69 liters of fuel. Oh god, yeah. I need this. आप ही करेंगे पे? नहीं सेपरेट है. अरे मैं बैंक लेके घूम रहा हूँ क्या सर? He's asking me whether I'll pay for a fuel. Am I roaming with the bank over here? I asked. Sir, ನಿಮ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ? ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದವ್ರೆ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅವ್ರ ರಗಳೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. हो गया. So buddies just reached. हम ऐसे ही आगे, आज सैटरडे संडे तो नहीं चला सकते, तो फ्राइडे सुबह जाते हैं, आके अभी काम करना है वापस. इधर ही बागेपल्ली टोल है ना, वहाँ तक जाके एक 5-10 मिनट. हाँ भरत है पर ज़्यादा बात करने में सुकून आता है सर. हाँ तो ही इज़ नॉट फ्रॉम, दे आर मिसिंग देयर नेटिव. कहाँ से हो आप? बिहार से, इसीलिए चलेगा. चलिए थैंक यू. जस्ट डन फ्यूलिंग अप. I was the last person to fuel up, and we are ready to roll. You can see this is our pretty lineup for the day. Raj! So some of them are heading back from here and we continue. Bad idea. So we just reached Pogapalli toll, lining up for some pics. कहाँ जा रहे हो भाई? Oh, your place, right? Sorry, mate. Too close. I forgot about my panniers. Who else is spending all year? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 bikes. I didn't take a count before we started.
Few more Harley.
No, the Harley guys, they're not coming. They stopped there. No, they're not coming.
Coming back in Chikbalapur.
Oh, is it? Okay. Everyone's done. Yeah, Manish is here. Manish's bike is here. Where is Manish?
Those are ours or somebody else?
Who? Where? No, not us. Ours, huh? Not sure. So, you just, we are just relaxing, having some chit chat, planning of some future rides if this COVID situation permits. We're just done with our ride and heading back home. So it's gonna be another 100 kilometers back to my home sweet home. Catch you guys on the way. Hope you enjoy the ride. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with many more such wonderful rides. This was just a warm-up, but I'm looking at some major rides sometime in the coming weeks or months. Devesh bhai, ready? Okay. Okay, bye bye. See you. Bye, Devesh. Bye bye. Same here, same here. Long time. We'll catch up next week or tomorrow. Yeah, bye. Yeah, bye bye. See you. That was it, guys. We're just done with the ride. Taking a deviation from Hebbal towards my place on Ring Road. I hope you guys love this ride. Please do like, share and subscribe if you did. This is a quick one, but something for a starter post the lockdown. Do comment down below your views. So that was all for the day, guys. So I'll be reaching home in another 20 odd minutes. I'm on the ring road heading towards Manyata. Peace out, guys, and remember, you only live once. Live it the way you want. Live your passion, live your dreams. Cheers. Bye bye.